and salam sejahtera. Well guys, in this video we're going to proceed with our next 3D surface command, which is known as swept surface. Again, I would like to repeat here that this command, which is swept surface, is almost similar like the sweep swept boss or swept base in 3D solid modeling. The difference is only on the sketch or sketches itself, whereby, as you know, I already mentioned in our previous video that for the 3D solid modeling, all sketches should be or compulsory in a closed loop, whereas for the sketch or sketches which is falls under the 3D surface, it can be either in closed loop or an open loop. All right, so let us get started with this particular of command. So let's say I'm going to pick my front plane as my sketch plane. All right, and then let's say I'm going to apply my 3D point arc, and I'm not going to apply, or I'm not going to insert with dimensions. Okay, you can indicate the dimensions if you want to, but since this is only the example, so I just will create the open sketch without any dimension. So this is the mirror line, because I'm going to mirror this particular of sketch to the other side. So I'm going to mirror like that, and this is my profile. Okay, as you know that even under the 3D solid modeling for swept boss, all right, if you still remember, once we talk about swept or sweep, there are two main parameters that we need to concern, which are the profile as well as the path. So this is my open sketch for the profile of the 3D surface. So I'm going to exit this, and then I'm going to apply my right plane as my sketch plane, and then I'm going to proceed with the path. So let's say for this case, okay, I'm going to apply spline, okay, as my path of this particular profile. So I just simply draw, okay, let's see here, 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 and let's see here, okay. Oops, sorry. So solid around here, let's see, okay. Now I'm going to define between this endpoint and also this particle of origin. So I'm going to pick this endpoint, press Control button, and then pick this origin. Then you can release your control button, and I'm going to consider it. Okay, right? So let's see. So I'm going to adjust. Let's see, maybe around that one. We can play around with this path, since I'm using this spline. So you can just pick any point of this spline, and then you can play around with its positions. All right, so let's say once I've already confirmed that, okay, this is the path that I'm going to use, then I need to exit from the the sketch environment. Now I'm going to proceed with my swept surface. All right, so I'm going to pick this one, and I need to pick the sketch profile, and this is my profile, which is my profile, this is my profile, whereas which one is my path, this is my path. There you are. Okay, so it looks like that. All right, so, and then I'm going to since if you refer to here, I only have one body. Therefore, in order to apply the next feature, which is I'm going to use fillet in order to apply the fillet here at this edge as well as this edge. And since I only have one body, therefore I no need to knead it. All right, so I can straight away use, unless if I do have more bodies, let's say more than one bodies, 2, 3, 4 bodies. Therefore, in that particular case, I need to knead all that particular of bodies to become as one body. But as what I did mention to you just now, that since in this case I only have only one body, therefore I no need to apply the knead surface, and I can straight away use the fillet features. So I'm going to apply the fillet here, and let's say I'm going to apply here at this edge. Oh, it's too big. Let's say I'm going to make it 3 mm. See how it looks like. I'm going to reduce it to 2. Okay, and also at this edge, oh, wrong, not face, but I need to pick the edge. There you are. And I'm going to apply the constant fillet, this one. All right, constant fillet. Okay, it seems like okay for me, and then I just click OK. Okay, there you are. All right, and then once after confirm, then I can straight away go to thicken command in order to apply a certain thickness. Let's say I'm going to apply 2 mm, and the surface that I'm going to thicken is this one. And it seems so like it's look like this. So let's say it's not really, not really good. So I'm going to apply it with 1 mm. There you are. So it looks more nicer compared to the thickness 2 mm just now. Okay, you can either use this one or this one. Should be no problem. Okay, let's see if 2, this should be fine. Okay, because since the shape looks more, more nicer. How about this one? Okay, can you see? It's not really nice. So let's say I'm going to apply this one and with 1 mm, right? And then just click OK. There you are. Okay. So this is how you can play around with the swept surface in 3D surface. All right. Okay, I would like to show to you another one more examples. Let's say this time I'm going to apply, let's say with a certain let's say I'm going to create the path first. Let's see here, and let's say like this one. And let's say this time I'm going to apply a certain dimensions. Let's say this one is, let's say, 100. Right, and let's say that the angle between this one and this one is 125. All right, and let's say I'm going to make sure that this one should be in the form of horizontal, and then I'm going to apply the distance between here to here. Let's say I'm going to make it, let's say 30 mm, right? And I'm going to make sure that this endpoint to this origin should be in a horizontal line, straight horizontal line. And then I'm going to apply, let's see here and here. I'm going to make it vertical. There you are. Right, and then I'm going to apply my center line here. I'm going to convert it to construction geometry, and then I'm going to mirror both of this line, mirror about this center line. There you are. And I'm going to apply my fillet. at this corner with 20 mm. Okay, same to go with this one. There you are, and then just click OK. Right? Okay, one more time. There you are. So this will be my path. So I'm going to exit from this path, and I'm going to create my profile at the end of this particular path, whereby that, if you still remember, in our previous video about the 3D solid modeling, which is SolidWorks Obis, in order to create the profile, it should be almost perpendicular. It is not necessary, but it also should be almost perpendicular to this particular path or line. So I'm going to create one additional plane, right, whereby my first reference is this one, and also my second reference is this endpoint. Okay, there you are. And then I'm going to pick this plane one as my sketch plane, normal 2. And let's say this time I'm going to have some sort, like, I'll just simply draw this one. I'll just simply draw like this, this one like that, and also let's say like this. Okay, you can add the dimension if you want to, right? uh, let's say once after I've already confirmed that this is the profile that I'm going to use, then I can just simply exit from my sketch. And as you can see over here, my profile is in a form of open sketch. All right, open sketch. It's not a closed loop sketch. And I'm going to hide this plane first. All right, and now I can proceed with my swap surface. All right, which one is my profile? This is my profile. And which one is my path? This is my path. There you are. Okay, so you're going to have like this one. Okay, and let's say once after confirm, then I can apply my thickness. Certain thickness, I'm going to make it 2 mm, and this is the surface that I'm going to apply, and then just click OK. There you are. Okay, so this is how my swap command, how I apply my the swap surface command in order to create a certain 3D surface like this. So what you have to remember that once after you already apply the thicken command, it means that the 3D surface is already converted into the solid modeling. So now as you can see on this screen, this part is we already taken it, and it's already converted in a form of solid modeling, right? So I will show you the last examples, but this time I would like to show to you how are we going to combine between the closed loops sketch as well as the open loop sketch. Let's say I'm going to pick my top place, my sketch plane, and then I'm going to apply the circle, whereby this particular circles I'm using new mouse, and that's why I sometimes it's never mind. Okay, so I'm going to apply my smart dimensions. Let's see, the diameter of this circle is let's say 200. Let me make it 200 mm. So this is our closed loop sketch, and it will representing our path. Okay, so I'm going to exit from the sketch environment, and then I'm going to apply my front plane as my sketch plane, and this time I'm going to create a profile. Let's say I'm going to use spline, and let's say the profile that I'm going to apply is some sort of like this. Let's see. Okay, okay, again, if you still remember that in sweep command, it is not necessary to have profile exactly lying down or sitting down on the path itself. Okay, so it can be over here, it can be located here, here or somewhere else, as long as later on we have to make sure that it should follow this path later on. So let's say this is my profile with open sketch. Then I'm going to need to exit from this particular off sketch environment, and then I'm going to proceed with my swept surface. Which one is my profile? This is my profile. And which one is my path? This is my path. Okay, so to confirm, just need to click OK. Oh, there you are. So if I change the color, this I'm going to change. I'm going to change this color. Okay, let's say click OK, and as you can see, it looks like that. Okay, if I switch to shaded, okay, here you are. Okay, the shape that we have already created uh, with combination between the open profile as well as closed loop sketch of the path. Okay, guys. So hopefully that you understand, and you can try out later. You can try out with any kind of sketch by applying the swept surface command. Uh, Thank you for your attention. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next video, which is about the lofted surface. Thank you very much.